Good morning. Today we will discuss the Gauss-Jacobi iteration method. First sum solved by Gauss-Jacobi method of iteration. The equations 27x plus 6y minus z equal to 85, 6x plus 15y plus 2 z equal to 72 and x plus y plus 54 z equal to 110. In Gauss-Jacobi iteration method, first we have to check whether the coefficient of the diagonal terms are large. Diagonal terms are large. In equation 1, x value should be large to compare with the xy. Here x value large. And second equation, y value large, it should be compared to x and z value. Next, third equation, z value should be large. Now to compare the other x and y value. Here all the diagonal terms are large, so we can solve the given linear equation by using the Gauss-Jacobian iteration method. Suppose if the diagonal terms are not large, now we have to exchange the equations according to diagonal terms are large. Okay, here all the diagonal terms are large to compare to the other coefficient. Okay, we can solve. In equation 1, first we have to find out the x value for that. Now to find the x value, x is equal to 27, we can take that side 1 divided by 27 within bracket 85 minus 6y and plus z. This is for x value, and y value, y equal to, we can take the 15 that side 1 divided by 15 within bracket 72 minus 6x and minus 2z. And third equation, to find z equal to, we can take 54 that side 1 divided by 54. Now 110 minus x minus y. Okay, first we have to find out the first iteration. Now this process is repeated until the two iteration results are same. Okay, when the two iteration results are same, we can stop the process, and then final result we have to write what is the x value, y value and z value. First we have to find out the first iteration. For that, to fix x value, y value and z value 0. X value, y value, z value 0. Here first x is equal to 1 divided by 27 within bracket 85. Now here y value and z value 0 means now all the terms will be 0. Now 85 divided by 27, 85 divided by 27. Now result 3.14815. Okay, this is the first iteration result. Next, to find out the first iteration result of y, for that x value and z value to fix 0. Okay, now 1 divided by 15 and these two for 0 and 72. We can get the 72. 72 divided by 15, we can get the result 72 divided by 15, we can get the result 4.0. Next, z by iteration, we have to substitute x value, y value 0 and 1 divided by 54 within bracket 110. Now to divide these two, 110 divided by 54. Now we can get the result 2.03. Okay, this is our first iteration. To find the second iteration, for that, to substitute the first iteration result here. This is for second iteration, x2 equal to 1 divided by 27 within bracket 85 minus 6 into y, first iteration value 4.8 plus z value after decimal point, we can take the 4 decimal places, 2.0370. Now simplify this one, 1 divided by 27. Now multiply and add these two, and the result we can get 58.237. This result divided by 27. This is the second iteration value of x, 2.1569. Next, second iteration of y, 1 divided by 15, 72 minus 6 into x of first iteration 3.14. Here after decimal point, we can take the 4 decimal places. Above 5, we can take one more digit, 3.1481. Next, minus 2z, minus 2 into z value 2.0370. Now simplify this one. Okay, and then result 49.0374 and divide these two, you can get the result y of 2 equals 3.2692. This is for second iteration of y value. Next, z value is z2 equals 1 divided by 54 within bracket 110 minus x value first iteration 3.1481 8 to 1. Above 5 means we can add 1, or below 5 and below we can take as it is digit. Now simplify this one. Minus of y value 4.8 and simplify this one. 1 divided by 54 and 102.0519, and result second iteration equal to, now divide these two, result 1.8898. This is for second iteration result. Now to compare first iteration result with the second iteration. After decimal point, the 4 decimal places both are same, we can stop the process. But here after decimal point, the 4 digit is not same, so we have to repeat another iteration. Next, third iteration, x3 equal 1 divided by 27, and to substitute the value of x, this is for 85 minus 6 into y second iteration result 3 into 2692 plus z value 1.8898. Now to simplify this one, we can get the result 2.4916. Third iteration y, with 1 divided by 15 within bracket 72 minus 6 into x value of iteration 2, x value iteration 2.1569 plus minus 2 into z value second iteration 1.8898. Now to simplify this one, we can get the result 3.6853. Next, z3 1 divided by 54 within bracket 110 minus x value, x second iteration x value 2.1569 minus y value second iteration 3.2692. Now to simplify and result 1.9365. This is for third iteration result. Now to compare with the second iteration result, this is not same. Okay, so now we can start with the fourth iteration. This is for third and fourth iteration. X for iteration 1 divided by 27 within bracket 85 minus 6 into y value of y3 3.6853 plus z value 1.9365. Now to simplify this one, we can get the result 2.4009. Next, y4 1 divided by 15 within bracket 72 minus 6 into x value, third equation value 2 into 4916. Next, plus, not plus, minus 2 into z value 1.9365. Now to simplify this one, we can get the result 3.5452. Next, z4 1 divided by 54 110 minus x value 2.4916 minus y value, y3 value 3.6853, and then simplify, we can get the result 1.9226. Now to compare third iteration result with the fourth iteration, it is not same, so we can continue the fifth iteration. Next, fifth iteration, x power 5 equals 1 divided by 27 within bracket 85 minus 6 into y value 3.5452 plus z value 1.9226. Now result, simplify these two and result 2.4315. Next, y of 5 1 divided by 15 within bracket 72 minus 6 into x value 2.4009 plus here minus 2 into z value 1.9226. Now simplify and result final 3.5833. Next, z5 equals 1 divided by 54 110 minus x value 2.4009 minus y value 3.5452. Now to simplify this one, we can get the result 1.9269. Now to compare fourth iteration result with the fifth, z value 1.9226, this is for 9269, and this is for 3.542 and this is for 3.5833. And x value 2.43 and this is for 2.40. Both are not same. Next, sixth iteration. We can continue the next iteration. Sixth one, x6 x 6 equal to 1 divided by 27 within bracket 85 minus 6 into y. Y, fifth iteration y, 3.5833 plus z value 1.9269. Now to simplify, we can get the result 2.4232. Next, y of 5, y6 equal 1 divided by 15 within bracket 72 minus 6 into x value 2.4315 minus 2 into z value 1.9269. Now to simplify and get the result 3.5705 and z6 equal 1 divided by 54 110 minus x value 2.4315 minus y value 3.5833 and then simplify, we can get the result 1.9256. Now to compare fifth iteration with the sixth, this is also result not same. So we can continue the next iteration, seventh. Seventh iteration x7 equal 1 divided by 27 divided by 85 minus 6 into y value 3.5705 plus z value 1.9256. Now to simplify, we can get the result 2.4260. Next y7, 1 divided by 15 within bracket 72 minus 6 into x value 2.4232 minus 2 into z value 1.9256. Now to simplify this one and the result 3.5740 and z7 1 divided by 54 110 minus x value 2.4232 minus y value 3.5705. Now to simplify and we can get the result 1.9260. Now to compare these two, that is sixth iteration and seventh iteration, both are not same. So we can continue the eighth iteration. X of 8 equal to 1 divided by 27 within bracket 85 minus 6 into y value 3.5740 plus z value 1.9260 and simplify, we can get the result 2.4252 and y of 8 equal to 1 divided by 15 within bracket 72 minus 6 into x value 2.4260 minus 2 into z value 1.9260. Now simplify and we will get the result 3.5728 and z 8 iteration 1 divided by 54 110 minus x value 2.4260 minus y value 3.5740 and then simplify we can get the result 1.9259. Now to compare 7th iteration with 8, here 1.9259 and 1.9260 and this is for 3.5728 and this is for 3.5728 and 2.4260 and this is for 4252. Okay, both are not same, so we can continue the next iteration. Ninth iteration x9 equal to 1 divided by 27 within bracket 85 minus 6 into y value 3.5728 plus z value 1.9259 and simplify result 2.4255 and y of 9 equal to 1 divided by 15 within bracket 72 minus 6 into x value 2.4252 minus 2 into z value 1.9259 and result simplify we can get the result 3.5731. Next z9 equal to 1 divided by 54 and 110 minus x value 2.4252 minus y value 3.5728 and simplify we can get the result 1.9260. Okay, next to compare 8th and 9th iteration, this is 1.9260 and this is 1.9259 and this is for 5731 and this is for 5728 and this is for 4252 and this is for 4255. Okay, this is also not same, so we can continue the next iteration, that is 10th iteration x9 x of 10th iteration 1 divided by 27 within bracket 85 minus 6 into y value 3.5731 plus z value 1.9260. Now to simplify and we can get the result 2.4255 and y10 iteration 1 divided by 15 within bracket 72 minus 6 into x value 2.4255 minus 2 into x z value 1.9260 and simplify we can get the result 3.5730 and next z10 equal to 1 divided by 54 110 minus x value 2.4255 y value 3.5731. Now simplify and we can get the result 1.9260 Now to compare 9th iteration with the 10th. Z value same and Y value 3.5730 and here 3.5731. This is also approximately equal to same, and 9th iteration this is also same. So we can stop the process. X result 2.4255, Y value 3.5730 and Z value 1.9260. This is the final result of given linear equation by using Gauss-Jacobi iteration method. This value substitute in any one of the given 3 linear equation, X value, Y value, Z value, and to check the result, the LHS equal to RHS. Okay? Thank you. If both iteration results are same, now we can stop the process and to write the what is the value of X, Y, Z. And X, Y, Z value we can substitute any one of the given 3 linear equations and to check the LHS is equal to RHS. That's all. Any doubt? No doubt. Thank you.